Back in March 2020, we created a channel that was so niche that we were surprised that even 100 people had voluntarily clicked the subscribe button. But today, we're very proud to say we reached an incredible landmark. 10,000 of you guys have subscribed to the Metroun Quantity Surveying YouTube channel. So, before we start today's video, we want to thank each and every one of you for your support. Without you, we would have never have reached this tremendous goal. But with one goal down, another target arises. Over the last year, we've been working hard with software engineers on something special. We can't delve into too much detail, but our target is to transform QS education for the whole industry. We will be updating you guys with more information very soon, and we hope you will join us on that journey also. Okay, on to today's video. This week we're answering 3 of your questions. 1 from Telegram, 1 from Instagram, and 1 from YouTube. And if you have any more questions, please do comment below. We answer each and every question in the comments below. Question 1. What are the legal requirements for a non-citizen to work as a QS or any job in the UK? There are 3 visas you can use to gain access to enter the UK as a quantity surveyor. The first is a skilled worker. To qualify for a skilled worker visa, you must work for a UK employer that's been approved by the Home Office, have a certificate of sponsorship from your employer with information about the role you've been offered in the UK, do a job that's on the list of eligible occupations. Don't worry, quantity surveying is on there. Be paid a minimum salary, how much depends on the type of work you do, and you must be able to speak, read, write, and understand English. You usually need to prove your knowledge of English when you apply. Your visa can last up to 5 years before you need to extend it. You'll need to apply to extend or update your visa when it expires, or if you change jobs or employer. The second is a graduate visa. You can apply for a graduate visa if the following statements are true. You're in the UK. Your current visa is a student visa or Tier 4 general student visa. You've studied a UK bachelor's degree, postgraduate degree, or other eligible course for a minimum period of time with your student visa or Tier 4 general student visa. And your education provider, such as your university or college, has told you that you've successfully completed the course. A graduate visa lasts for 2 years. You cannot extend your graduate visa. However, you'll be able to switch to a different visa, for example, a skilled worker visa. And finally, the third option is an ancestry visa. You can apply for a UK ancestry visa if you're one of the following: a Commonwealth citizen, which includes India, a British overseas citizen, a British overseas territory citizen, a British national overseas, or a citizen of Zimbabwe. You must also prove one of your grandparents was born in the UK, the Channel Islands, or the Isle of Man, that you are 17 or over, that you have enough money without help from public funds to support and house yourself and any dependents, and that you plan to work in the UK. You can stay in the UK for 5 years on this visa and extend for an additional 5 years or apply to permanently settle. Question 2. Can you name companies available in the UK who offer part-time jobs to master's students? It can be very difficult to find part-time jobs in our profession. Most employers would be looking at hiring a full-time member of staff, but there are options of offering your services online. This can be done on websites such as Fiverr or Bark. There are obvious downsides to this. You would need to be confident in your ability in order to provide this kind of service. That being said, there are part-time opportunities with the largest UK-based construction company, Balfour Beatty. We will provide a link to these in the description below. Depending on when you watch this video, these opportunities may have elapsed. And finally, question 3. What's the difference between a CQS and a PQS? A PQS, or consultant QS, is concerned with the control of cost on a project. Activities range from cost planning, value engineering, feasibility studies, cost-benefit analysis, valuation, and cost estimation. During the construction phase, the PQS will be responsible for assessing the monthly valuation carried out by the contractor, ensuring acceptable value due to the contractor is paid and unacceptable value is withheld. They will also be responsible for assessing any variations submitted by the contractor, ensuring the claims are reasonable. A contractor QS will be responsible for maximizing cash flow and ensuring the project stays within budget. This will be accomplished by successful management of subcontractors, timely notification of issues on site, and subsequently variations accurate valuations of work and keeping on top of the project's financials throughout the monthly CVR, or cost value reconciliation. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.